Today in this class we have to discuss about the exercise number 1.1. Okay, sorry, 1.2. In last class we already solved the question number up to 1 to 8. Okay, now we have to discuss about the question number 9. So please open your mathematics textbook and turn to page number 17. Okay, so read question number 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Okay, so here we have to write in solution the cloth required for stitch one shirt is equal to 2 meter 15 centimeter. Okay, is equal to, now we have to convert this meter unit into centimeter. Is it right? So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Is it right? So 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So therefore here 2 meter. So 2 into 100. 2 into 100 plus 15 centimeter as it is. Is it right? So 2 into 100, 200 plus 15 is equal to 215 centimeter. Is it right? So next, out of 40 meter cloth means the total length of cloth is 40 meter. Is it right? 40 meter. Now 40 meter is converted into meter unit is converted to centimeter. Is it right? So therefore here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Is it right? So therefore here 40 into 100 is equal to 4000 centimeter. Is it right? So next question is, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Is it right? So they ask how many shirts can be stitched in the length of 40 meter and how many cloths will be remain. Okay, so here the number of shirts can be stitched is equal to 4000, means total length of cloth divided by the cloth required for stitch one shirt. Right, one shirt is 250 centimeter. So here 4000 divided by 250. Is it right? 4000 divided by 215. So 215 ones are 215 minus 10 minus 5, 1 carries. Next 10 minus 2, 8, 1 carries. And 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1. Is it right? So 0 take as it is. Next 215. 215 into 8 za. Okay, 215 8 za. 8 5s are 40. Next 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry. Then next 8 2s are 16. Is it right? 16 plus 1, 17. So therefore here 1720. So 0 minus 0, 0. The next 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 7, 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. So 130 centimeter it is in the length of centimeter. Okay, it is the reminder. Next, now we have to write answer. Okay, see here. 18 shirts can be stitched. Is it right? 18 shirts can be stitched. Okay, next question is how many cloth is remain. Okay, so therefore here the remaining cloth is 130 centimeter. Is it right? So the remaining cloth is 130 centimeter and 18 shirts can be stitched in the length of 40 meter cloth. Is it right? So please note down this, and now we have to discuss about the question number 10. Okay. is question number 10. See in our textbook and read question number 10. Okay. Medicine is packed in boxes. Okay. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kilogram and 500 gram. Is it right? Medicine is packed in boxes. Okay. The weight of here, our solution is the weight of each box. The weight of each box is 4 kg. 4 kg 500 gram. 4 kg 500 gram. Is it right? Now we have to convert these kilogram into gram. Okay. So first we have to know the how many grams make 1 kilogram. What is the value of kilo? The kilo means 1000. Is it right? So therefore here 4 kg, which means 4 into, so 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Is it right? So 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000 plus 500 as it is. Is it right? So therefore here 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 plus 500 is equal to 4500 gram. Is it right? 4500 gram. Means now we have to get the weight of each box is 4500 gram. Is it right? Next, how many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram, which means here the maximum weight. The maximum weight is 800 kilogram. Is it right? 800 kg. Now we have to convert this kg into gram. Is it right? So here 800 kilogram, which means 800 into 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Is it right? So 1000 gram makes 1 kilogram. Is it right? So therefore here 800 into 1000. Is it right? So is equal to 8 as it is, and how many 0 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take here 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means 8 lakh. Right? 8 lakh gram. 8 lakh gram. Is it right? So next question, can be loaded beyond 800 kg. Okay. Now we have to find the how many such boxes can be loaded. Okay. The boxes can be loaded in van. Now we have to find the number of boxes can be loaded. Okay, can be loaded in van. The number of boxes can be loaded in van. Is it right? Is equal to 8 lakh divided by 4500 gram. 4500 gram. Is it right? 4500 gram. Now we have to calculate here. 8 lakh divided by 4500 gram. Is it right? So 4500 ones are 4500. Is it right? So divided by minus 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0. Then 10 minus 5 5 1 carry. Is it right? 8 minus 5 3 becomes 3500. And next take another one 0 here. Is it right? So 4,507 are. Okay, let's check how many. 4,507 are 700, 7 into 00, and 7 5s are 35. Is it right? 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3. 31. Is it right? You have to write here 31,500. Right, so 0 minus 0, 0, then 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, sorry, here, okay, here, 0 minus 0, 0, then 0 minus 0, 0, and 0 minus 5, which means 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5, 5, take 1 carry, 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 3, 0. Is it right? So take here last one 0. Now it becomes 35,000. Okay. The remaining term is same. Okay, 35,000, 35,000. So therefore we have to take here 4,507 are 4,507 are 31,500. 31,500. Is it right? 0 minus 0, 0, then 0 minus 0, 0, and 10 minus 5, 5, 1 carry, 5 minus 2, 3. Is it right? 5 minus 2, 3, then 3 minus 3, 0. So 3,500 gram. Is it right? So your answer is, now you have to write your answer. Okay. The number of or your answer is, you have to write here 177. 177 boxes can be loaded in van. Is it right? 177 boxes can be loaded in van. Is it right? Next, the remaining weight of tablets is 3,500 gram. Okay, it is not required. Just we have to write the answer is 177 boxes can be loaded in a van. Okay, so please note down this, and now we have to discuss about the next question, question number 11. Okay. See question number 11. Okay. So read in your book. The distance between the school and a teacher's house is 1 kilometer and 875 meters. Is it right? So you see here. The distance between school and student house is 1 kilometer and 875 meters. Okay. First we have to convert these kilometer into meter. Is it right? So therefore is equal to, so how many meter make 1 kilometer? So kilo means 1000. Is it right? So therefore here 1000. Okay, 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So 1000 plus 875 meter is equal to 1875 meter. Okay, so therefore the total distance between the school and student's house is 1875 meter. Okay, here also same, because read question. Every day she walks both way, means the distance between school to student house and student house to school. Is it right? So therefore here 1 kilometer 875 meter is equal to 1000 plus 875 is equal to 1875 meter. Is it right? So next, find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Find the total distance covered by her 6 days. Is it right? See here, the distance covered by her in a day. First we have to find the distance covered by her in a day. Okay. Now see here the distance between school and student house and school, which means up and down. Okay, the students will be up and down to student house, from student house to school. Is it right? So that's why we have to add these two distance. We have to add these two distances, right? So first we have to add 5 plus 5, 10. Take one carry. 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So one carry here. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. One carry. 1, 1, 1. 3. Means 3750 meter. 3750 meter. Is it right? So here write 3750 meter. Okay. The distance covered by her in a day. Okay. In one day. Is it right? Next, now we have to find the total distance covered by her in a 6 days. Okay. 6 days. 6 days means one day is equal to 3750 meter. So 6 days is equal to 6 days into 3750 meter. So the total distance covered by her in 6 days is equal to 6 into 3750 meter. Okay. Now we have to multiply 3750 meter into 6 days. Is right? So 6 0 0, then 6 5s are 30, then 6 7s are 42. Is right? 42 plus 3, 45. So 4 take carry. Then 6 3s are 18. Okay, 18 plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22. So therefore 22,500 meter. Okay, your answer is the total distance covered by her in 6 days is equal to 22,500 meter. Is right? So you can write here 22,500 meter. Okay. And next, now we have to solve the question number 12. Okay, this is your homework. So today's mathematics homework is solve question number 12. Okay, solve question number 12. If you have any doubt in the question number 12, you can ask him. You can ask me in WhatsApp group. Okay, I will explain how to solve the question number 12. Okay, so we shall start here. Thank you.